Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to crochet this cover for the Holy Quran. Begin by crocheting a 15 by 15 inch square. The stitch that I'm doing is a double crochet through the front loop, then a double crochet through the back loop, and repeat this until you get a 15 by 15 inch square. As you can see here, I'm yarning over and inserting my crochet hook through the front loop of the stitch, then yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Now we're going to yarn over and insert our crochet hook through the back loop of that next stitch, then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we're going to repeat this until we reach our 15 by 15 inch square. Adding more yarn. Make sure you add that little loose end while you're crocheting so it just doesn't go anywhere and it stays extra secure. We're all done our 15 by 15 inch square. Now let's learn how to sew it all together. Fold 2 corners in the middle and then sew them together. Then fold the third one and sew it with the rest. Wait and see what the last one's for. You can sew it how I am, or you can do it however you want. As you can see here, I'm inserting my sewing needle through both of those stitches, and I'm bringing it through, and I'm going to carefully pull it, and we're just going to repeat that throughout the entire line. Cut the ends. We sewed one corner, now we have to move on to the next. More stitching. You can tie the ends to make it extra secure. Weave in the ends. Flip it over and we're almost done. We're almost done, but here's how mine looks so far. And now, how about we add a little button? If you want, you can add a button for it to close, and I would recommend one, but it's all up to you. To add the button, you just pull the yarn through the little hole of the button, then put the button where you want it on your piece, and insert your crochet hook under the piece, and yarn over, pull through, and do the same thing at the other side. And now at the bottom, we're just going to do a couple knots to make it really secure. Cut the ends. And now we're adding our holybook on. Let's close it up. And here's the final result of our holybook's cover. All done. I really hope you guys like how your cover turned out, and have a fantastic day. If you guys like the content that I put, make sure you like, subscribe, share, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss one of my new videos. Bye!